everybody, and welcome to a welcome to another Jake unboxing. Today, I have something very special. Back a couple months ago, there was a pre-order for a premium Loona Plush on Shark Robot. And it finally arrived after a relative long time. But, now it's here, and let's get it open. Open it up. Oh! It's the Pete's. Look at the Pete's. Little pies. We've got, this, which I think is the pin. And... hey. Still in its... and still, she's in protective packaging. Almost getting there. There we go. 3, 2, 1. And it's the premium Loona Plush. Look at her! She's so awesome! Hair, paws, little claws. Look at her. Very adorable. Even has like little metal studs here on the collar. That's insane. And even it's called the premium Loona Plush. So that's awesome. She's really awesome. A lot more of artsy than a normal squeezable plush, but that's not the only thing that's in this box. Find a place to put her down where she's still relatively in view. There we go. Put that off to the side. Even got what came with the pre-order, which is a pin. Of course, I can't get it out yet. Aha! There it is. The premium Loona Plush pin. You can see that. See it for TikTok audience. So yeah, premium Loona Plush pin plus premium Loona Plush plush. So yeah, look at even the little ears. Yep. Get a little close-up look there. Very nice and very cute. So yeah, that has been Jake's unboxing of the premium Loona Plush, and I appreciate all of you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye now.